Hey, in this video, we'll go over the basic concepts of robotics, where it's used, and what you need to know to get into robotics. So, let's dive in. Simply put, robotics is the science that helps automate processes or make people's lives easier. What do you need to know? Firstly, you need to know a programming language, typically C/C++, and it won't hurt to know Python. Python is useful for creating neural networks, and C/C++ is for programming microcontrollers. Secondly, a good understanding of mathematics is crucial for calculating things like wheel circumference. Linear algebra helps with derivatives, and basic knowledge of vector analysis is necessary for creating a mathematical model. If you're planning to build your own robots, you need to be skilled in drawing and 3D modeling. Of course, basic knowledge of electronics and electrical engineering is essential. Knowing the difference between current and voltage, understanding resistance, and at least being familiar with Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's first law would be useful at an amateur level. But if you want to become a professional robotics engineer, you'll need more. However, you don't have to know everything. Find a profession you enjoy and develop in it. Even in large companies, there are relatively few people who excel in 2 or more areas. Where are they used? One of the most desired and demanded fields for robotics is medicine. There are surgical robots, nursing robots, caregiver robots, micro and nanobots, among others. The most commonly used among these is the surgical robot. They are controlled by a doctor through a console, ensuring high precision and stability. The advantages include increased precision and speed and safety compared to the risk of hepatitis and HIV infection. You can observe its work in the video. Robots in medicine can also be used for drug delivery, precise injections, or sample collection. Teleoperated robots assist in surgical procedures, remotely performing tasks while a doctor controls them. Let's not forget prosthetics. Although we haven't reached a point where a prosthetic can easily replace a human hand, it's entirely possible as technology progresses. Robots are also employed in science for various tasks that might be dangerous or difficult for humans, such as exploring oceans, space, or underground. They play a crucial role in researching and expanding our understanding of the universe. I suggest focusing on robots in space. In space, robots play a vital role in accomplishing tasks that would be challenging or hazardous for humans. They are equipped with various sensors, tools, and technologies for precise measurements and research. Robots designed for exploring planetary surfaces can collect and analyze soil samples, enhancing our understanding of the composition and nature of other worlds. Some robots study planetary atmospheres, helping unravel the mysteries of climatic conditions. Additionally, robots perform repairs and maintenance on spacecraft and equipment, ensuring their reliable operation in orbit. All these functions contribute to the scientific and exploratory goals, providing new insights into space. The most popular example is the Curiosity rover, as seen in the video. Lastly, let's touch on the industrial sector. Robots also play a significant role in crucial industries beyond medicine and science, one of them being manufacturing. They have become an integral part of modern production, optimizing and automating processes in various sectors. In the automotive industry, robots play a vital role in precise and complex tasks such as welding or assembling parts. Their high precision contributes to improving the quality of manufacturing. In logistics and warehousing, robots help automate processes like sorting and placing goods, making the supply chain more efficient and productive. Collaborative robots in the industry can interact with workers, facilitating safe and fast production activities. Their ability to collaborate with humans makes them indispensable in production teams. All of this highlights the significant contribution of robots to the industry and their crucial role in refining manufacturing processes. Additionally, robots are used in art, agriculture, the service sector, and more. In conclusion, robots have become an integral part of our modern world, impacting all aspects of life, from medicine and science to industry. Their technological advancements open new possibilities for development and improvement in our everyday lives. Thanks for your attention. Like the video and let me know what else you'd like to learn. Goodbye.